Hello, everyone. Let's add range filters to your website. So range filters are another filtering option that allows you to specify a range of values instead of a single value. This is useful, for example, for price ranges like this, pricing filters, because people typically do not shop for a specific price. They usually shop for options within their budget, which is the price range, essentially. So this is how a filter works on a website, and it is actually very easy to create with Spread Simple using Google Sheets. So here's how it looks in the Google Sheet. As you can see, we use a simple IFS function, and within that function, we use the isBetween function to just make the formula simpler. Let's go ahead and create such a filter, for example, for miles. For that, we create an extra column and name it accordingly. And now we go ahead and start creating the filter with the IFS function. So we open the braces and the first range. First, we connect it to the cell, and the first range is going to be the smallest, which for this case, let's do less than 10,000 miles. And after a comma, we just specify the name of the range that's going to show on the website. And let's name it 0 to 10K. And then after a comma, we go ahead and use the isBetween feature. In braces, yeah, we connect it to the cell. And after a comma, specify the range, which is going to be the next one, 10,000 and 30,000. We just write the end values in the braces, and then after a comma, we give it a name, which is going to be 10K to 30K. So this is basically it. We can repeat this as many times as we need and create as many ranges as we need. I'm just going to create a couple more. And the last one is going to look just like the first one. More than 70,000. And we're going to name it accordingly and close the braces. So now after you press enter, you should see the corresponding range, which in this case is more than 70K. And now we just need to stretch this formula to the rest of your listings. And this is basically it. Now we let's go to the website editor to add the filter to the website. And for that, we just press this refresh button. And now we go ahead and add that filter, which is here. We already have it here. If you don't, then just open the drop-down menu and select the filter to add it on the website. So now we just need to save it and publish. And let's go see how it looks. Here's our filter. So apparently we don't have options under 10K. That's why the range is not showing. Now let's see if it works properly. Of course it does. And here you go. Here are your range filters. Hope this was helpful. Have fun.